almost there, Mama.
Mag-ulang, wala pa eh.
I'm be quiet. I'm filming a video. Hello guys, today I don't know where I live. I live in Philippines. And I don't know how to see the S word. Where am I? I'm going to the hospital because I am sick.
Kung mag-amo, sinisir kung okay lang sa imo. Ako na lang ginagawa pa.
Paano naman ako ng mama, baby?
And it is like short. Guys,
Haro Plaza.
We're approaching Haro Plaza where our doctor appointment is. I'm trying to cut it out.
Wala ka balo ang iya nga ama.
I have so many cuts, guys.
Kasi nining dali.
I am out.
Na sunduhan na ni Busmon mo.
It's been 5 minutes, but I'm not there.
As ka na lang dali ang ating sa buwas. Mag-istoryahan na
Nawat na binlan, pisilin mo.
We're approaching
Standby. Mga puso, mga kabarangay. Pagbalik ng top papa ng top, sumama pa sa mga FM na ito.
I'm already there! It's a giant! Cut out. I'm done. Bye-bye for tomorrow.